In this playlist, I'd like to practice expanding and factoring polynomials. Let's begin by expanding only. We have 2 bracket x plus 3 bracket. When you have a number and a bracket, it means to multiply. We're going to multiply 2 times something. How do you multiply? You multiply by feeding the dog, and then you feed the cat. If you have 2 animals, you feed both animals. 2 times x is equals to 2x, and 2 times positive 3 is positive 6. So we have a constant 2 multiplied by a binomial. The word bi means 2. There's 2 terms here, 1, 2, and we have 2x plus 6 as our answer. Now let's try expanding. We have a negative 2. This is a negative number. You feed the dog, and then you feed the cat as well. What's negative 2 times 3? We have a negative answer, and 2 times 3 is 6. Be careful. A negative times a negative is positive. So negative 2 times negative 2 becomes positive 4. And don't forget about the x here. Negative 2 times negative 2x is positive 4x. So we have another answer here. Remember that negative times negative is positive. So for question number 3, we now have a constant multiplied by a trinomial. So whether you have 3 terms trinomial, 2 terms binomial, or even 1 term monomial, these are all polynomials, and we know how to expand these out. You feed the dog, you feed the cat, and you feed the bird. 5 times x squared is going to be 5x squared. 5 times positive 2x is going to be positive 10x. And finally, 5 times negative 3 is going to be negative 15. So we got another one. And now for the last one. Now we have an x here. Be careful. Negative 2x is the term, and we're multiplying this monomial by a trinomial. Let's feed the dog, the cat, and the bird. Negative 2x times 3x. First, focus on the coefficients. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Now, what's x times x? This is where we need to refresh our exponents. X to the 1 times x to the 1. You add the exponents, it becomes x squared. Negative 2x multiplied by negative 4x squared. First of all, focus on the coefficients. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. X times x squared, that's the same thing as x to the 1. There's going to be 3 x's being multiplied. X times x times x is going to be x cubed. Finally, negative 2x times positive 1, anything times 1 is itself, is simply negative 2x. So there we have it. We successfully expanded these polynomials.